In this video, I'll show you how to add your 1099 NEC on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and below 2025 taxes, you want to choose the second option, which is federal. Now, below federal, you want to choose the first option, which is income. And once you are on the income section, if you head over to your income, if you scroll down, in here you will see the forms in which you can have. So at the top, we can simply search for 1099 and then NEC. In here, you will automatically see the self-employment, which is 1099 NEC. From here, you want to click on the dropdown if it is not selected, and on the right-hand side, click on Start. What you can also do is do your other common income. This will also include your form 1099 NEC. So in here, you either have to choose the self-employment or other common income. I do suggest the other common income because at the bottom, you already have your 1099 NEC. So on the right-hand side, click on Start. Now, once you click on Start in here, it will ask you if you get a 1099 NEC. At the bottom, click on Yes. From here, it will ask you the type of income on the 1099. Let's say that this is a self-employment income. At the bottom, click on Continue. You do have to select the one that applies to you. And from here, it will now ask you for the details of your 1099. Now, in here, we have two people. Since I have a spouse on my TurboTax account, in here, it will ask you for the payer, the federal ID number, as well as the non-employee compensation. The boxes 1, 3, and 4 are optional. And at the bottom, click on Continue. Now, once you click on Continue, it will ask you the type of work earned in this income. Let's say design. Now, once you have an option at the bottom, click on Continue. And once you have that, as you can see, it will automatically add your 1099. If you want to add another 1099 NEC at the bottom, you will also have an option to do that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.